All right, cool. That's good. All right, so did having the game stream flush the edges not work? I was wondering if you could do that. Put Scott on the bottom left and Wes on the bottom right. Did having the game stream flush to the edges not work? Dax, come to chat. Or call me so we can decide. Doot. What up, Lithium? Okay, so let's first just try and get each of the ones that we were thinking of originally. So let's just like code something in particular for something like this, right? So let's just go ahead and code our overlay one here. Oops, overlay. Let's go here and let's go down to here and let's try and just add a few of these, right? Let's try and do something like img source is img terminal logo.svg, right? And then let's say
properly tailored
let's do something like
yeah.
buy coffee
actually
at
my favorite.
SSH terminal.shop. Like, what does this look like? Yeah, way too big. That's what I thought. Style is height 10 pics or something like this. I don't know. Does that work? Breaking news. Let's talk more action. Okay, nice. Well, that's not so bad. Hey, what's up, Rufasan? Thanks for the tier 1. Appreciate that. Okay, so then we could format these to be a little bit nicer, right? Where we do something like probably like 20 pics, something like this. And then let's go ahead and do span, style, color. What's a nice gray? Highlight comment. Gooey foreground right here. What's up, Dax? We need a like font family monospace. Show me what you got. This is what we got. We'll change that shortly. It looks here. So it'll look like this. Here you go. There's 100%. So it'll look basically like this on the screen. I'll probably change this black to a little bit different color. But like this is what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? The bottom, we're working on the ticker right now. Right? And so then obviously, what happens if you make the game stream full screen without padding? You're saying like put this over everything? So to have this take up the whole thing with them just over top of it, maybe like this on the side. But what about the ticker? I mean, I guess we can just cover the ticker, right? Video. I guess if we take, I think it's gonna mess everything up. I think a bunch of it is calculated with the video thing in. But I can try it. I'll just try really quick. 1920, 1080 pics. Yeah. Fixed position, everything. Screw the layout. Well, that's the problem. Some things are and some things aren't. It doesn't have to be, but I think most is quite square. Yeah, I can make it more square. It's fine. The ticker isn't done. I'll let you do it. Let me know if it looks bad. Drug all static. I don't think so like I'm worried we don't have enough camera skill to not do like a third of the screen while we're doing the camera. You know what I'm saying? Like, my concern would be that we end up blocking the camera like all the time when we're moving the camera around. So I don't really want to have a lot of overlap over this. Yes, right. It's not like we're professional camera people where like as we're moving, we're like, make sure you don't get like the left third of the screen any action. You know what I'm saying? So like I feel like keeping it contained right here with the right ratio and then just using the outside of the screen as other stuff seems probably like easier for us to do than worrying like checking between the camera person and back and everything. Ratioed, exactly. So that's kind of why I was thinking like do more like this. We're pro basketball players, exactly, not pro cameramen. Before we started clicking for you, like start understanding as if you understand a spoken language or something. I didn't think I understand code the same way I understand spoken language. Yeah, what you have now, only thing it says figuring out how to fill that empty space with a spot. Yeah, I was gonna put like a brought to you by Sentry, maybe like right here or something. You know what I mean? Something like this. That's kind of what I was thinking. Like a little brought to you by Sentry to fill in this space, and then that's it. So terminal.shop. What do you mean? This is gonna go in the ticker. Or I can stretch them out a little bit further, maybe two. Like I could make them take up the whole side. We could try and get it so that they take up the whole side. 916. Whoops. That isn't like 916. If I do that, is that better or worse? You can make them stretch a little farther. 19. Dax. Probably. Red feels strange for the eyes. We're probably gonna change the eye. Or the red. I wouldn't mind if these lined up somehow. You know what I should test right now? Here, watch this, chat. All right, 1 second. Huddle. Basketball test. Okay. You can still hear me though, right? Yep, you can. You can. So, if I go and say browser, we say basketball. And can I go 172.7? Oh shoot, is it it's too dark, I can't hear anything. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. 7.2 8,000 1920. Oops. 1920 1080. I don't think that wait, it didn't pick 8,000, did I? I picked 8,000. Oh, slash overlay. This is working. Lithium! Lithium! Finally looks centered. Thanks, chat. Thanks, Lithium. How do I make it? Yeah, well, nothing's happening right now because I'm over here. I was on the different scene. How do I make Laravel host on? How do I make Laravel serve on my on 0.0.0 chat? Config. App? I don't know. And production, debug, URL. Right here. Can I do this and do 0.0.0.0 like this? That doesn't seem like it worked. Let me test. Refresh. Iron color, RGBAs. Then where's the fallback? App URL. Okay, we'll just change this to 0.0.0.0. Yeah, I know it's chat. I know. I know. I'm trying to make it PHP artisan serve port, but that's not. I don't want to do. I need to connect it on a different computer, chat. It's on a different computer on the same network. Host 0.0.0.0. Nice. 192, 168. That's 7.2. Is that not right? It says that it's on the right one. 197, 168, 7.2. Leaking. I leaked my local. It doesn't seem like it's working, does it? Doesn't look like anything over here, does it? Create an SSH tunnel to it. This seems like it should be working. Artisan config cache. PHP artisan config cache. What? Cache clear. But it says now it's hosting on the right one. Isn't it that I just go 0.0.0.0 and then won't it be? It's not working on your machine either, Bash? What the heck? I thought PHP was easy. Shutdown to refresh when scene becomes active. Nope, we got nothing. This is still working though, right? 8,000 overlay. Open port, let us check for you. Okay. Oh, it's HD. Oh, true. Could be. Maybe I scuffed it. Nope, nothing still. 190. Oh! Okay, chat. Here we go. Now we're talking. Okay, now we're talking. Let's remove everything from here. Okay. We got some issues. We've got a few issues. This chat, this is why we need to fix it. So check this out. Watch this. Hodl? And just wait. Okay? Video capture device. Add existing. Computer. Okay, there we go. So here's my computer. Okay? This one's my computer. We're going to move to NeoVim. Okay? We're going to move to NeoVim. Right here. We're going to put NeoVim behind here. Okay? And then I'm going to put myself. I'm going to put myself in here too. Screen, scene. We're going to test it out for real. Here's me. Here's me. Okay? All right. Put me right here. Big me right here. Okay, ready? We'll put me behind here too. Okay? So now, just hold your horses here, chat. Hold your horses. Chroma key, green. Okay, close. We don't have any greens on here yet, but watch this. Watch this. You can't see anything yet. All you can see is the overlay. If I go to video and I go to background, where did I put gray? Now we just need to put 0. FF00. Boom! Yes. There you go. That's my screen. Ha! Ha! Okay, now we're testing. Now we're testing for real. Okay, now we're testing for real. The next thing we need to go is we need to go to Wes's. And then in this, we're going to change Wes's to green. 3, 2, 1. Boom! It's me. I'm here. I'm here. Right here. Right here. Okay. Why is there a margin around the outside? That's the first problem. That's the first problem. Because look, you can see me. Wait, can you see me? Why can you see my hand here? You can see my hand. That's not right. Okay, that's not right. Okay, did it make sense? You can see my hand here, or you should not be able to see my hand here. Okay? 16 by 10 screen. No, it's not. It's something about the app. Background width gap. No gaps. Let's see if that fixes it. It didn't seem like it did anything. Padding. Display. We need to get rid of all of these. Ah! Okay, but now, can you see my hand here? You can, but that's probably because it's scuffed. I'm breaking the 5th wall. I'm breaking the 5th, the 8th, the 10th, the 9th wall. All came back to box sizing, border box. Okay, so now we need to give ourselves some spacing. We need to give ourselves some spacing here. So when we get down to the inside of this, app, main, so let's go to video. We want to do gap to rem, something like this. I don't know. Let's see what this does. Nothing. Nothing. You're saying it was working? Let's check. All right, we'll go back to this. We'll go back to this. All right. So here you go. This is where we're at here. You know what we probably need to do is we probably need to say set text color. We need to just change this. We don't want light dark. I think that's scuffing it. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Oh, what's up? Oh yeah, what up, chat? Hey, what up? Hey, yo, it's me, West Boss. Okay, now look at this. See, you guys are That's not the screen you want to see. Look at this. Bing, 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 bing. 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 Okay. There you go, chat. See, we're pretty close. We're pretty close. All right, there isn't a padding on HTML. Okay. This actually looks pretty good. We're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. Let me make sure this is set to 1920 1080. Yes, no CSS inside of here. Great. Okay, nice. HTML margin 0, padding 0. HTML margin 0, padding 0. Let's try that. Oh, okay, chat. Feels good. You're welcome. Feels good. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, chat, okay? I honestly think maybe we should just leave the terminal logo 10 times bigger than the Laravel one. I think that that's actually just better overall. You know? Like, it just is actually better for it to be 10 times as big. just make it 10 times as big. Taylor will order it on you. Every time we score, it should get bigger, don't you think? Stonesy's camera's frozen. Thank you. Thanks. Actually, the logo is a bit big. True. Good point. Good point. All right, so where do terminal logo? Here. Log. Where did we go? What did we call this again? We called this scroll. What else did we bounce? We called it. Oh, did we drop our bouncing thing? Oh no, what was bouncing? Bobbing. Here we go. Now this is what we're talking about, chat. Here, give it a little bit of action going on. You can also inverse Laravel colors. Laravel have a dark logo. Yeah, we're not actually gonna do that. We're not actually gonna do that, chat. Don't worry. Okay. All right, so let's go back to why would this go team shadow, team logo terminal, logo Laravel. Oh, we could try that. Yeah. Inside of here, filter, invert 1. It doesn't need to go here. Ooh, that could work. That could work. Could work. But the white was the picture. When do I get paid as project manager? Here's the fun part. You don't. Okay, so why would logo terminal background here, border 1, why would this be going, why would this not be paying attention to the size? Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. That doesn't make any sense. What are we building? See the screen? That's what we're building. You can start OBS with browser dev tools. Oh, nice. Nice. We don't need to, though. We just need to display flex line items, border radius 10 pixels. Why is this not doing this? Object contain. Okay, we could try that. Contain. We'll try. You're saying object cover? I never heard of this before. Here, you guys will be able to see this. Now it's infinite. You guys see it again? It's bright green now. So this is what the logo actually looks like. I don't know why it looks different in this one versus that one. My eyes. Well, I can't see it. I have it only filtered over here. You know what I mean? Like, it's filtered out in OBS. So I'm looking at it right now, and it looks like exactly how you see it. Properties. I don't think I can. I'd have to restart OBS is the problem, chat. I'd have to restart OBS. Team logo term image height inherit. The original dimensions are different for each logo. Okay. Height inherit. Object fit cover. Wait, what? Why not open DevTools and inspect? I can't in OBS, I think, right now. Because I think I have to restart OBS, right? Don't I have to restart it or something? Yeah. Terminal icon so huge. That's literally what we're trying to fix. Relax. Check my gist and storyboard and see how I did it. Okay, hit me. Send a link. Don't just say you can check my thing. Send a link. Send a link, chat. Drop shadow, container, scoreboard, team score, team sponsor, marquee content, team logo. Wait, but where is? Oh, just the team blocks it out or something? What? Max height, random, and width auto. What is logo height? Logo height's 40 pixels. Set the size on the terminal logo image. All right, we can just try. Where is my terminal logo? We'll just go style, height, 40 pixels, something like this, you're saying? I don't care about hard coding, chat. It doesn't bother me. Okay. Logo height. But that doesn't seem right, does it? Too small. Oh, is that right? Does that look good now, chat? Doesn't look right, does it? Or I don't know. Steve inherit sets the parents, but does the parent height right here, inherit like this. I don't know why it worked in the other browser. There's a potential chance. There's a potential chance the OBS browser is just bad. I do know. Okay, what's to know? This is weird in better browser, which is a few versions behind Chrome. OBS browser just bad. What is the yellow border on the bottom? Yellow border on the bottom. Yellow border on the bottom. What yellow border on the bottom? Put the image rule at the top level. Wesley, you look way different. Terminal logo has some white. Maybe you should start checking if OBS has updates available. It is nested, but it's a block element. Terminal logo has bottom border. Oh yeah, I see that now. You're right. Okay, I was looking at it in like half size. Team logo terminal. Oh, I see what you're saying. Image right here. Right, I should be saying height. Like this. Var logo height. Something like this, right? And then where we said like 80 pics down here, let's try and get rid of this. Can you nest in CSS? Maybe not in this one. Oh, chat, you want to know what? Maybe the browser in OBS doesn't support this. Do it old school. Like this, maybe. Let's see if that changes anything. Okay. All right, we'll do it old school. This is why you test, chat. Team logo terminal image and .team logo Laravel image. Okay. Let's see if this solves some problems here, chat. Oops, that's too many of those. You can't nest in CSS. You can. Because it works. But you need a browser that supports it. Oops. All right, so then let's go ahead and get rid of this maybe. Because I don't think we need this anymore. Okay, but so this still doesn't answer the question of why is that. Can I not do this? What is this? This is not legal or something or what? It doesn't support calc? Okay. All right, we'll just do this. Logo container. 80 pics. We'll just do this. Calc. I don't know, dude. Container. Calc. I'm just gonna change this whole thing to 60 pix. And this one to 80 pix. We'll just hard code them back again. It didn't seem like that was the problem, chat. It didn't seem like that was the problem. Here, we'll switch away and switch back and see, just double check. Okay. Does it support variables? Failed to save? No, it's good. It's saved. It's just not doing anything different here. Team logo terminal. Team. Yeah, I feel like that has to be supported. Okay, so we don't have anything hard-coded in these. Team logo terminal. Background height. Oh, get rid of that. Get rid of that. That still didn't fix the problem, but that's okay. Oh! Haha! We left too many experiments in at once, chat. But too many experiments in at once. Okay. Calc 2 times var logo height. Okay. Let's see if this still works then. There's no way that doesn't work, right? Yeah. Calc 1.5 times var logo height. Duplicate properties, indeed. Okay, so now we need to figure out why are we getting a white border around this? Border one. Oh, that's this. That is the border. We just should make this more like 4 pix or something like this, so that it's actually visible and not goofy looking. Like this, and then this one should be like this. But I don't know that that looks good, actually. Oh, so the logo, you can't see where my cursor's going down here. The logo is half the size of the box. I don't think it looks very good. I don't think it looks good at all. So maybe we'll just go border. We'll just go terminal BG. And we'll change this back to 1, 1. And we'll do this one as a Laravel BG. And we'll just keep it that way. And we'll think about whether we want to do a different one later. Why do you need the border? Because we put a border on some other stuff. Border radius. 10 pix. %s border radius. 10 pix. Border radius. Var. Border radius. Okay, so now if we change this to be more like maybe just, 3 or something. It's a little square. That's a little more square, I feel like, It's a little more square. I don't know if we want more square. Did I spell border wrong? Border. Border. Okay. Yeah. A little, yeah, a little. Maybe only like 3 or something. I think it looks better with just like a little bit of rounding, Terminal logo overflows, I think. You think so? Make the background the same for the logo since your terminal background is black. The white throws it off since everything else looks black. How'd you exclude the first search result when you're doing the first rename? I knew that it was, it had a dash before it, so I put a space in front of it instead. Can you explain how do you decide on radius values? Like why 3 pix instead of just 10? I have no web dev skills, chat. I'm just looking at it and I think, does that look good or does it look bad? That's all. That's all, It does kind of look like the logo here does look wrong, doesn't it? Maybe invert and hue rotate 180 on the Laravel logo. There's breakage. Yeah, I don't know what to do about that. What happens if I just remove the logo? Or I mean the border. Does this, can you tell the difference for this or no? It doesn't seem like that does anything. Huge grog. Your toes are touching each other. That's a pretty good one. Team logo terminal image. You know what? Well, all colors will kind of blend into it. Oh, okay. Here, let's change the background to something a little bit. This is what? This is our background color. What should we change it to? Is there like if we go to Laracon or something, like this is a pretty similar red, you know what I mean? It's a pretty powerful red. Is there like another red that we could do that's a little less powerful? You know? Is there like a slightly less powerful red that they use? Maybe this one? It's quite powerful, you know? Is this a bit more muted? Was that not the right one? Where else do we have background? Oh, here we go. Oh, that's cam. Whoop. That's not what I wanted. Oops, I lost my color. Is this which am I crazy? Shouldn't that be changing? This is the color right here. I was thinking this one. Because this is what we get in dark mode on theirs. But I must not have done background. Oh, I just did background other ones. Background app. Okay, here we go. Let's go main background. Something like this, right? Bar main background. Oops. It could be the dark reader filter over it, but that would be fine with me too. It doesn't like it's okay if it's not. App background. This should be bar main background. Let's see which one of these changes this. Background. Cam. No, none. It shouldn't be any of those. Video. Oh, there we go. It was just slow. It was just slow, maybe. I don't know. It seemed weird. Oh, maybe it just took a while for the OBS to update for it. What do you guys think about that? Is that better? Oh, I know. Shoot. Where's the background? Let me see. Interview. Poster. Oh, is it banner? Aha! I got banner.png. Move downloads banner. Public image banner. Where did we do main background? URL image banner.png. Oh, you can't see though. Maybe we need to make this way zoomed. Can I change the zoom on this? Because you can't see anything. Shoot. Oh, use the Luma red? Oh, that's not a bad idea too. Yeah, we could maybe use the Luma one. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. We could maybe use this one. Background size, 200%. I want it less, or is that gonna make it everything smaller or bigger? Body. Is it this? Which one of these is the one that's actually doing the background? Okay, that's this one. Okay, nice. We're gonna do background size, 200%. I think I want to go the other way, right? Or is that making it bigger or smaller? I couldn't even tell. I think I'm going to go like this. Okay, that's too small. That's too small. Thinking about it, chat. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. There's no room to read anything on there. Well, it just says terminal, Laravel, Sentry. Colors? Okay, I'll put these colors down as another option as well. Oh, that's the same one. Okay. Make the background the blur version of the actual main camera feed. Make the background the blur version of the actually main camera feed. What do you mean? Yeah, just one. Similar but tamer orange or reds. Make the background green. We're not going to do that. You make it so that it's more like a watermark? What do you mean? I'm sure there's some filter, right, that I can do that's like, that makes them kind of faded and blurred, so that's a little less busy. Can I offset this somehow too? Is it like background blur? But you don't want a blurry video background. It's a terrible idea for many reasons. I actually like the logo back better than a solid color. I think so too. I like the background is taking a lot of attention, make so it's not doing that. I meant put the same background to same output. Put the same output twice? That doesn't seem right. I want this to be so, yeah, like this. Like that looks pretty good, I think, actually. I think that looks pretty good. Maybe we should put the ats on the top. If you don't need the logos for sales, then maybe don't blur out the background. We don't need them for this. We have other stuff to show it. Can it be big black, big blur version of Prime? That's funny. Backdrop filter. Nice. Is it backdrop filter or background filter? Filter. Blur. 5 pixels. That didn't seem to do anything. Backdrop because of CSS consistency. Nice. Borders on the cams. There's a lot of noise around them. Yeah, we can add some more borders. We'll make it a little crisper and stuff. Backdrop filter and then element. Backdrop filter. Blur. Maybe I need to set this to something a lot higher. 50 pixels. I don't know. I'll just see what it does. It doesn't seem like it's doing anything, chat. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. Yeah. I like where this is going. I like where this is going. It's the best this screen's looked all day. How do you save a NeoVim default? Okay, yeah, okay, so I see what you're saying. We make a dot background. Blurred background, something like this, right? We put this here. We just go yeah, we just go like this. We take these, we put this here, right? Now we'll have no background, right? It should just be black again in a second, I think. Nice. Okay. So now we just go to where so we're just one big file. It's just one big file. And we can just go to here and we say div class is background, blurred background, div. Or we can just make this an image. And can I just say source slash image slash banner dot, was it PNG? Boom. Like this, right? And then now we just put this at a low Z index. It looks cool, just like this. Tech points about what algo layout part belongs in, whether it's just do a filter if he's using Z index magic. It actually does. It looks good. Okay, so now I go to blurred background here. Z feels like post intergame. That's exactly right. What I said in -1. How do I make it so that everything else is on top of this? Chat. -1 million. Position absolute. Width 100%. Height 100%. Okay, we'll try that. Now we just go filter 5 picks. Okay, nice. Nice. So now just imagine a basketball game going on YouTube, dunking. They're like this, you know? This is what it's gonna look like. It's just gonna look exactly like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna look just like this, chat. That's gonna be Prime getting dunked on. There's Taylor Otwell right here, Taylor Otwell, and then there's Prime clutching his face. Here's Taylor Otwell again. Oh! Screen tearing. That will probably also, we'll find a way to make that happen too. Oh, look, there goes Bash Bunny. Boom! Here's Adam yelling at Bash Bunny. It's Adam yelling at Bash. It's Adam yelling at Bash. Oh man. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. This is gonna be fire. I nearly started my coffee. Okay, so I need to take a screenshot of this so that I can send it to the squad. Screenshot preview. Okay. I don't think I have Slack on this computer. Oh, I'll send it later. Oh, can someone just take a clip of this? All right. Can we get some transparency for the... Can't we get some transparency? What do you mean? What do you mean, chat? What do you mean? Try the div with a background so you can tile the logos more in the background? Is there no way to tile with, like, filter and transform or something? No, stop. I want to talk to Grug. Can I use filter to tile an image in JavaScript and CSS? But if it didn't have though, chat. I couldn't make it blurred. It didn't work. Oh, nice. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, I can now that it's a separate now. Oh, because I can apply the filter to the whole thing. I see. Nice. I see what you're saying. Right. So now I go. Now I'm understanding. I'm understanding you now, Chad. I'm understanding you. So go to background blurred or blurred background here. I put this in a div. Do I even need a div? I don't need a div for this. I do. I just say div class blurred background. I go to here. We go to blurred background. Blurred background. I say background. Main background. Just like this. Now it's working. I already have this because now we're doing this, right? Now I can blur this to more like 3 pixels. It is awesome, WM. Yep. Okay, nice. Nice. That actually, how much blur should we do? 2 pixels? Div is not a self-closed tag. It is today. Stop me then. Right? This looks pretty good. I like it. I like it this way. We still see you near the edge of the screen. Oh, you're totally right. You can see my arm. You can see my arm here. I mean, I could fix this without having to fix this problem. We're getting close, though. We're getting very close. Filter blur will blur the edges as well. The blur is so small. Okay, let me check with full screen again. Oh, I see what you're saying. I can see that. I can see that. When do I get paid as a software consultant? Actually, everything you type into chat is MIT licensed. You think it's better to go all the way to here? Well, they're not going to have a green screen. They're going to have like a regular background, chat. Quick to transform scale 1:1. Negative margin on the background to offset the blur. Do we... I mean, it's a little too busy this way, I feel like, right? With nothing, it feels a little too busy, right? Opacity? Okay. Not a bad plan. Opacity. Maybe like 0.9, 0.8. Right? I recognize, chat, that you can see me behind the stuff right now. That's okay. In OBS, I will fix that. Don't worry. I know. But watch. It's fine. I can fix that. Because I would just change where like my video lands. So I would just take my video here. I would just take my video here. Okay, right? Now you can't see my arms anyways. I can fix all of that in OBS. So one thing that's interesting, chat, now that I'm looking at this right now, if we go back and I need to see this full screen so I can look at it, is we're not getting our whole video feed, are we? Like down here, look. That's not good. So this means this ratio is scuffed, right? Or well, let me check in OBS. Because this should be more like... Blur was nicer, less busy. Okay. What if we do that and a little bit of blur? Opacity just makes it all look a little bit faded. Let me look at this in full screen again. Yeah. 3? I think 3 looks pretty good. Well, I gotta fix... I'm not perfectly lined up here. Can I make this pop out? Ugh. One sec. I need to switch this so I can see this better. Yeah, something like this, right? Whenever you're on Linux, what are you using for sound? About a mixer microphone, can't get it working, profiles and all that stuff. I have a separate computer that runs Windows that does all of the audio visual stuff. It's better if you can to have 2 computers anyways, because I could literally turn this computer off here and it won't do anything to my main stream setup. But that's the main reason why. I also bought some equipment that only works for Windows, but that's not that big of a deal. Well, if the other person you heard it was from Prime, then that's because I copied exactly what Prime did. Okay, this looks pretty good, I feel like. Does anyone think this looks pretty good? I think it looks pretty good. I think no opacity, just a little bit of blur like this. You can still read. I like how at the bottoms you can read. You can still see it's clearly terminal, Laravel, Sentry, terminal, Laravel, Sentry. You know what I mean? Like, I like that. The only other thing would be maybe we can get rid of a little bit more of... Do you guys think we should try and get some of the top of the screen? Like top of the screen here? Like, should this get higher? Should we have less margin? Or is it better to just have it feel like pretty cozy? You know what I mean? Let me see 2 pics. Yeah, we can check 2 pics. Do you have a transparent? You could have a blurred one on the background on the real non-blurred, transparent ones on front. Could keep text sharp but have blur for some coolness. Do F11 full screen. What do you mean F11 for full screen? This is what you guys should be seeing. My whole, you should just be seeing. Try watching an actual basketball game. We'll be able to tell. Yeah. Because it's gonna look just like this, chat. And the play is gonna look exactly the same too. You know, it's gonna look like almost exactly like this. So I'm thinking like it's going to look like this in a lot of ways. Okay? A lot of ways. Two pixel looks bad. Maybe add more shadow under the bottom score. Yeah, we can make the shadow stronger. Yeah. Yeah, we can play around with some more shadows, I think. Try to implement the screen tearing too. We'll make sure that the screen tearing is working to perfection. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and do, where's my shadow? Box shadow. I just make this thicker by doing what? RGBA 25. I make these on different lines. Is this top? What even is this? Can anyone explain this box shadow? What does this do? What does this do, chat? Could a border on the score boxes help? Feels get a lost. Yeah. Green screen is clipping a little on Laravel logo. Okay, we'll check that out too. Box shadow is just black magic. Left top blur color. Where did that box magic one? Box shadow 95. We need one that's a little stronger, I think. You know, a little bit stronger. Which one do you think? Like, maybe even this one? Or this one, maybe? Like this one, maybe. I thought that... Is this not the one that we took already? I don't even know if I can tell. Okay. I don't think I can even tell. Yep, that's why I prefer backend. That's the same one, right? I picked the same one. Okay. That's what I thought. I liked it last time, but it's just not dark enough. It's not dark enough. What about this one? I don't know. Let's turn this on not dark. I can't see any shadows now. CSX box shadow generator. Okay. That's such a thing. Okay. Blur radius. Ooh, nice. Spread. Vertical. Ooh, nice. Okay. What do we want? What do we even want to do? Outline? Inset? I don't know. I don't know what would look good, chat. Like more like something like this? Or front under eyes, yeah. Boxes. Maybe we'll try a different one. Horizontal shadow length. But what if I don't really want it like... What if I just want it more... CSS. Okay, nice. Okay. All right. Shift right, shift down, spread, blur, opacity. I don't know, chat. Maybe we just need a good border. What if we just put a nice crisp? What if we, instead of doing this, what if we just go border? 4 pixels solid white. And we just hit them all with something like this. We have to add the rest of it to the other ones, but what if we do something similar to that, chat? You think so? You think it looks bad with the borders? Maybe 10 pixels and go orange? Could be. You're right. We probably want glow instead of a shadow. Is there like glow? Is that what we're saying instead? Because I think we want to do more like... First off, I've realized that for team score, these should all have... Each of these should have shadow. Wait, team should have shadow. If team... Why does this not work? That seems like those should still have shadow there. That's not right. Why is this team not working with shadow? Team. Box shadow. All right, we'll try this. I think that's part of the problem, chat. Look at this, right? Because this shadow right here should be applying to the team. That's the thing you see right in this spot here. But I think it's not. Padding, height, display, flex, gap, align items. Probably something with gap or padding or border. Check if it's a block element. Oh, it could be because of border. You just get rid of all the borders, probably. There we go. Okay, so now you see it. Yep, now you see it. Where did we put shadow? Yeah. We'll try this one. kind of dope. It's kind of dope. I kind of love it. Like, there's something there. There's definitely something there, right? Team logo. We'll add shadow to these guys too. Okay. We'll try it. We'll try it again. Real fire. Okay, let's try it. Let's see. Did I miss something? Did I not copy it? Did you paste the same thing? I think it's the same thing. You pasted the same thing. Hit me with what's the new one? You sent the same one, which it's still good. It's still good. Slightly less black background color, probably something like your terminal background. Yeah. Well, really, what it's gonna look like is something like this. That's what it's gonna look like. Okay, here we go. Now we've got the new one. Let's see. Too much. But I do think almost doing with the orange down could be cool. Turn that on when you need to dunk on someone. 2000 is calling. That one's too much. I do kind of think this one would be better. I kind of like this one, to be honest. I do kind of like that. Ooh, just a light bit of orange. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. What is this one even doing? There's no colors. What am I supposed to do? I kind of like this one. I'm really tempted by this one, chat. I'm really tempted by this one. Yeah, we'll try and get Scott a little bit lower, I think, as well. I think I'm not going to use any space over here. Are you going to fetch the data? What do you mean? Of the score? We have this going on. Where to go? Look, you just click these buttons and then they'll just change. So the broadcaster just does this. Like this. That's what we used Laravel for. Best backend ever. Yeah. You just click these buttons and it just does stuff. Framework for artisanal overlays. Maybe that border, but not around the persons. We could remove from the people. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, chat. Lovely that the counter looks like a toy problem. That's all we needed. Exactly. We just needed the counter, basically. Well, okay. I gotta get ready pretty soon to leave. Use YouTube, which came to ask a question. How does those video feeds streaming on the site? How does those video feeds streaming on the site? What do you mean? It's all from. Oh, sorry. Sorry, YouTube chat. Sorry, YouTube chat. I was looking at Slack in this window today. This one, but with orange. It's pretty cool. Kind of slaps. It really does. Here, let's test it. Let's test it. Ready? I'll turn on this and we'll watch this. Wow, what a dunk! Adam absolutely dominating Bash Bunny with that dunk. And oh no, the Primogen posterized. Wow, incredible. Okay, now we go and we clip. Where can I get my clips? Clip. Clip it. Clip it. Okay. Ready? I'll turn on. Oh, no, the Primogen posterized. Thoughts? No, the Primogen posterized. Wow, incredible. Okay, now we go and we clip. Where can I get my clip? This looks like a website written in Dreamweaver back in 1999. And what would be so bad about that? Back when the web worked for people? '78 NBA All-Star Game effect. I think it's looking pretty sharp, chat. Now buy Berkeley Mono font license and use that as the font. I don't think I will do that. Looks pretty good, actually. NBA dunk sound effects. Should drop the rounded borders. Yeah, probably. We probably should drop the rounded borders. Man, maybe we gotta go for pixel perfect. I can bear with you Sunday. Yeah, we can fix it up in post. Any sense with the yellow shadows? Yeah, it's fine. I'd make the rounded border on the main viewer at least, yeah. Yeah, we'll probably do some shenanigans in Dallas together with this one. We'll need to test it anyways on Adam's computer and some other stuff too, but I think it looks pretty cool. But did you watch the clip? Now a terminal orange too. Yeah, we got to get the oranges perfectly right, but that's fine. Oh, we need to get... Oh, okay. The last thing we need to do is we need to go for a few more of these, right? So we need to get some different text on the bottom. We need to go like span here, and we need to go and do something like image here, Laravel logo. Brought to you by Laracon.us. You know, something like this, right? style is color be, I don't know, something like this again. I don't know if we want to do them exactly the same. And I need a Sentry logo too. Thanks to Sentry, who sponsored this event. I don't know, something like this, right? Perhaps a margin between the commentators. Yeah, we can sort that out too. We can sort that out as well, right? This is for cams. We want to just do something like margin. Those for margin, and like it's like 50 pix 0 or something like this. Okay, so not quite 50. 10. Get something like this. It stretches out the whole thing though, so I've scuffed something else. Will this make it so that... Okay, that's not what we wanted. Because the rest of these are not... They're... this needs to like overflow or something, I think, basically. Sorry, chat. You're going to see a lot of green. Localhost 8000 overlay. We need to just like inspect this really quick. So what does it think that this is here? Oh, I can't scroll. It's annoying. Okay. So this one here, padding, none, margin. Oh, aside. Oh, the aside. That's the problem. That's the problem. I see. Okay. Aside, we'll do no gap. Maybe this, so that this can get to the bottom. Oh, and then maybe we want to do something like this, where we say, Cam Scott. We should just do like margin top 25 picks, something like this. I should push him down. I did Cam West. I meant to do Cam Scott. More 50 picks. Okay, closer. 75. Yep. There it is. Now they're lined up, chat. Now they're lined up. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay. I gotta go, though. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead. Give it a smash. You know. Wow. The like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care. Because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.